So in a world of cryptocurrencies where fortunes are made and lost in the blink of an eye, there's a rumor that has sent shockwaves through the entire crypto community, and we're going to be talking about that in this video. So hold on to your seats as we back up the truck, because today what we're going to dive into is a burning question that's been on everyone's mind in this space, and that is the richest family in the world secretly investing in XRP? You know, the digital asset that's been making headlines around the globe, with massive partnerships taking place for Ripple. So join us today, guys, as we uncover the truth. We're going to be talking about the rumors, and is it actually true that's got the whole crypto world talking right now? Could the Rothschilds, yes, the very same Rothschild family that has a net worth of over $20 trillion, be diving headfirst into the world of crypto, specifically buying XRP? Is that happening? So we have a lot to talk about in this video. Comment 777 if you're feeling blessed. Comment 777 if you're feeling bullish. We're out here in beautiful Miami, Florida right now. That's where all the cruise ships take off from right there. The birds are telling you. Comment 777, man. Let's run it. All right, bull runners, welcome back to the channel. So, got to put my bucket hat on, you know, white people problems, man. Give me like 20 minutes in the sun and I start frying. Unlike her, she doesn't need sunscreen all day. She freaking glowing, man. I get freckles all over me. What's going on there? All right, so welcome back to the channel. We got a lot to discuss in this video. And this month alone, guys, Bitcoin has surged over 28%. You know, and altcoins like Solana have rallied over 60%. Chainlink rallied, like it's at 37%. I think it's even higher than that. XRP, though, is only up 12%, with the anticipation of Bitcoin exchange traded funds, the ETFs on the horizon. So what's happening with XRP? Why is XRP price still below $1? Currently it's up today at the time of making this video, but crypto investing funds have experienced the most substantial weekly inflows since mid-2022, and meme coins are also making a comeback, and the trial of Sam Bankman-Fried is nearly concluded, offering a fresh start for the crypto world. We've been bullish this entire year, and as we approach the North American winter out here, as you know, October starts to get chilly, but not for us out here in Miami. You know, it's hot. It's good out here, guys. You got to move out here. It's awesome. I'm originally from Idaho, so I know what it's like in the winter. In the summer, it gets freaking hot. It's over 100 degrees, 80, 100 degrees, but in the winter, it gets cold. And so, is the era of the crypto winter over? Well, it certainly appears that way. And I'm going to be sharing some info at the end of this video that shows you where we are in the macro market cycle, because in terms of crypto winter, while not a precisely defined term, you know, it's a familiar concept for those in the crypto space, because it signifies a period where, you know, crypto prices drop, critics become vocal, venture capital funding decreases, they leave the market, and the search for new narrative begins on what's going to drive the next bull run. And so the narrative that's taking place right now is ETFs. Recently, this narrative emerged through Wall Street, and it's embracing Bitcoin on a large scale, promising substantial investment through ETFs. And so as BlackRock, Larry Fink, you know, called it and coined it a flight to quality, the focus now shifts to how mainstream institutions will safeguard digital assets, you know, provide regulatory clarity, and emphasize sustainable products like ETFs, tokenized securities, and stablecoins through CBDCs. So while this new narrative may diverge from crypto's original purpose as an alternative to mainstream finance through decentralization, as we get into CBDC talk, it's generating excitement in the space, driven in part by macroeconomic factors like Middle East instability, renewed inflation concerns through the Fed, and notably, you know, with Larry Fink, he's the CEO of BlackRock. He was once a crypto skeptic. Now he's touting Bitcoin, you know, as the role to facilitate the flight to quality during times of uncertainty. So this shift in sentiment from Wall Street insiders right now suggest that a changing tide is happening as they're readying for trillions of dollars to flow in during this bull run. Keep in mind, the entire crypto market cap is only at $1 trillion right now. Look at the stock market, guys. The stock market was upwards of what, $100 trillion. So crypto at its peak was only 2 to 3% of the entire stock market, and all the money that were in these massive companies, and now they're starting to shift over to blockchain technology. So crypto is going to absorb a massive amount of that liquidity, not only over the next year to 2 years, you know, as we gear up towards phase 1 and phase 2. We're in phase 1 right now of the bull run. You know, we're passing through the accumulation phase right now with this breakout above 30K. In fact, signs of a thaw in crypto winter were already evident in January with progress in global regulation, major banks forming crypto teams, new funds with substantial capital emerging. I've been talking with people in the banking space that work for these big banks talking about how they're investing a lot of money into blockchain technology. So they're getting ready, and the masses, are unaware right now because they're too busy partying on the weekends, getting ready for Halloween, picking out their outfits and their costumes, while secretly the whales behind the scenes are getting ready, right? They're working on these laws, guys. They're working on these innovations, and technology giants in blockchain services are positioning themselves accordingly. So because you're watching this video right now, you're smart. And with the Fed tightening on their balance sheet, well, the crypto market hasn't retreated. Sure, it's taken longer than everyone would like to reach the moon, quote unquote, for a project like XRP. While some investors who bought the top, they're still feeling the chills of the crypto winter, waiting for prices to reach their entry points that they bought in at, because maybe you were buying during the peak of 2021. Maybe you're buying XRP at $1.80, and it's currently still at 55, 56 cents right now. So you're still having to wait for it to reach your entry point, but it's showing signs of improvement. While there may be fluctuations in terms of the price, the trajectory for the crypto industry right now is bullish, especially as we broke out from the range that Bitcoin was in below 30K for over 200 days. Now, what we need to tackle is talk about is those rumors about the Rothschild family that have been spreading out there, particularly with them investing in XRP. Is that actually happening? Because you may have heard about a certain document. It's called the Edmond de Rothschild Fund report on the activities of the CCOV. It mentions SBI Holdings, and that's where the speculation began. So before you jump to any conclusions about them just buying XRP, let's break it down real quick, because the document refers to the Edmond de Rothschild Fund Global Convertibles. So yes, it has Rothschild in its name, but it doesn't necessarily mean that the Rothschild family themselves are investing directly in XRP. What it does mean, however, is that the fund managed by Edmond de Rothschild had holdings in various assets, including SBI Holdings. So this document is essentially a report that's discussing the fund's performance and activities during a specific period. And so SBI Holdings is a financial services company based over in Japan, which is a major player in the Japanese financial industry, and offers a wide range of financial services, including banking, securities, insurance, asset management, among other services. So SBI Holdings, it's known for its involvement in a wide variety of fintech and blockchain related ventures, making it a significant player in the cryptocurrency and blockchain space as well. So this is good news. And one of the notable aspects of SBI Holdings is its partnership with Ripple. SBI Holdings has been actively working with Ripple to promote the use of blockchain technology, particularly in cross-border payments, and its own significant stake in Ripple as a company. So this partnership led to speculation, and interest in SBI Holdings' involvement in Ripple and XRP with its association with the company. And then you see SBI Remit, which is a subsidiary of SBI Holdings. They partnered with Ripple to use XRP for international remittances to bank accounts in the Philippines, over in Vietnam, and I believe it was Indonesia as well too. So what this move is aiming to do is it's enabling faster, more cross-border and cost-effective money transfers by leveraging XRP as a bridge currency. So it's a significant development for SBI Remit because it's accelerating adoption in targeted markets, particularly over in Southeast Asia, where there's a growing demand for cross-border remittances. And as you guys know, when the lawsuit hit Ripple and the price crashed down, that resurgence in price happened because of overseas markets over in Asia, Southeast Asia, the Dubai region, over in China and other countries other than the United States. And additionally, SBI Remit had partnered with Tranglo, which is a cross-border payments provider, to facilitate remittances in local fiat currencies, further enhancing its services in that region. So, SBI has been using Ripple's international money transfer system. This isn't new news. They've been using this since 2017. And in 2021, SBI Remit adopted XRP as a bridge currency, making a significant milestone in Japan's use of crypto for cross-border transactions. So when we look ahead to the future, SBI, what they're planning to do is they're planning to expand their involvement in the fintech industry, and specifically crypto, in corporate and inbound transactions through partnerships with Ripple and other big fintech companies. And according to recent reports, SBI owns about a 10.5% stake in Ripple. And in October, it was revealed that Ripple would invest in MoneyTap, the Japanese payment network owned by SBI, and SMBC, and another 37 mainly regional banks mostly. So today, SBI confirmed that investment is complete and that Ripple owns 33%, which is the largest shareholder after SBI. So 2 Ripple executives are joining the 8-person board. And so they're making this massive partnership and strategically placing themselves to get ready. So the solution offers a mobile app that enables bank-to-bank transfers 24/7 instead of using Japanese banking hours using RippleNet technology. It also aims to integrate cross-border payments, and the network is being incorporated into ATMs right now. And so while the Rothschild's family name, is associated with this fund, it doesn't confirm any direct purchases of XRP or any cryptocurrency specifically. But my view on this is when you invest a percentage of your net worth into a company or companies that are directly involved in blockchain and crypto space, and specifically partnered with companies like Ripple and specifically using cryptocurrencies like XRP for cross-border payments, that's essentially the same thing in my mind as being bullish on crypto without directly saying that you're buying any crypto. So we can't say that they're buying it directly, but we can say that they have to be bullish on it. Otherwise, why would they allocate a percentage of their fund into SBI? So right now, as the building blocks are being laid, still seeing XRP below $1, well, that gets me extra bullish. A lot of people are frustrated that XRP is still below $1 right now and it's not taking off, when that's more time to accumulate. Again, don't buy, don't sell anything that we talk about on this channel, but that gets me extra bullish because what comes next is November 8th through the 9th, okay? Mark your calendars for this date. And here's the scoop. So what Ripple is eagerly anticipating right now, well, everyone in the Ripple community is anticipating, is this swell event. It's unfolding November 8th through the 9th, and it's over in Dubai. So speculation is rampant right now about whether Ripple might take the opportunity to formally announce its intention to go public with their IPO. Since they didn't announce anything at the New York party, I bet, let me know if you agree or disagree, but I bet, Brad and them just weren't quite ready for it yet, and it wasn't the right time. They still needed to make some additional moves behind the scenes, some additional partnerships, and they're going to be announcing it here soon, whether it's at this event or the next one. Ripple even posted a job listing for a senior shareholder communications manager, signaling preparations for an IPO. So beyond the exciting IPO discussions, the Ripple Swell event is going to promise a comprehensive exploration of various topics, offering a holistic view on the cryptocurrency landscape and talking about a lot of things, where the agenda includes discussions on the future of digital currencies, regulatory frameworks, Ripple's acquisition of a virtual asset regulatory authority, or VARA, and the emergence of central banking digital currencies and what that means for the rest of the crypto space. So Ripple Swell is not widely publicized, so it's just occurrence of this event. It's not necessarily going to affect the price, with all the events, but it's just another important event that we're going to cover on this channel. So make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel, you like this video, so you can stay up to date with what's going on in the crypto space. And previously, this event was held virtually in 2020 because of the pandemic. No one could travel. In 2020, 21, and 2022, it was virtual as well too. So this year's event is taking place in person over in Dubai, with attendees from over 40 countries, 80 speakers, and more than 600 people, attended to go. So nonetheless, the excitement would arise if Ripple chooses to announce an IPO. Should that occur, well, it would indeed have an impact on the XRP price. So therefore, November 8th and 9th will be the next crucial period to watch. A lot of people are claiming November is going to be a big month because of the ISO 20022 compliant technology making a move and getting adopted, but they're pushing that back until March. So according to Miles Dusher on Twitter, it actually is very, very scary how closely we're following the psychology of a market cycle. And so when you see this on the screen right now, the disbelief, which is AKA the suckers rally, after that, it leads to hope, optimism, belief, thrill, and euphoria. So right now, it's the perfect time to educate yourself about crypto. Educate yourself about your favorite projects by subscribing to this channel and going to bullrunners.com to get on the early bird list for when we release our financial education platform. Because what you're going to get access to is our list of our top 100 altcoins that we're the most bullish on when it comes out for this bull run first. So check that out. bullrunners.com, guys. And you know, most important thing to focus on right now is getting your money right, getting your money right, getting your finances in order, because most people out there, they just spend all their money on stuff that doesn't matter, that isn't going to make them money, and they're buying things without passive income, or without income that they yield from their investments. You know, when you're earning income from your job and you're allocating that to stuff that you believe in, you know, whether that's real estate, precious metals, cryptocurrencies. Personally, I'm not investing in the stock market right now. You know, I'm diversifying amongst precious metals, you know, real estate, and then cryptocurrencies. Nothing in the stock market right now. So I want to expand in those 3 areas right there. So let me know what you guys are investing in. As always, you know what we're doing. We're backing up our truck all the way to the bank. We're grabbing the bags, packing them and stacking them, leaving no bags left behind, because we believe that the spending power of the dollar is going to continue to go down in value. That's a fact based on inflation, blockchain technology, cryptocurrencies, distributed ledger technology is going up in interest. That's the truth. And together, you know where we're going. We're going camping on the beaches of the moon. So I will see you on the next video. I will see you on bullrunners.com. As always, you guys know what to do. Stay bullish.